Welcome to the office. We want to take a look at theorem 416 from our text now. For this theorem, we have if G is a group with binary operation star and A and B are any elements of G, then the linear equations A star x equals B and Y star A equals B have unique solutions x and y in G. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at one of the equations and prove that it's true for one of the equations, and then let's see here. We'll just leave the other one is similar. So similarly, there is a unique solution for the other. So proof. Our proof is going to start with let's see here. Let G star, right? That's our notation for a set in a binary operation. Let that be a group. Fantastic. So it's a group with binary operation star. And let A and B be elements of G. Fantastic. Consider the equation, of course. We're going to say A star x equals B. Okay. By axiom 3 in the definition of a group, there exists A prime in G such that, right, so we're talking about the inverse of A, such that A prime star A is equal to, I suppose maybe we want A star A prime is equal to E, the identity, where E is the identity for star. Excellent. Then, all right, so if I have an inverse, then I can take this equation and I can say A prime, the inverse, star A star B is equal to, I'm sorry, make sure I copy this down, A star X, not B there. A star X is equal to A prime star on the right-hand side is B. There we go. So A star X is equal to B multiplied by A prime, or right, star rather than multiply, but A prime star on each side. And here I have associativity, so A prime star A star X is equal to A prime star B. A prime star A is, of course, E. So E star X is equal to A prime star B. Anything multiplied by the identity or right combined with the identity under star gives us back that thing. So A prime star B. Excellent. So that is for x equal to A prime star B. We can plug that into the equation and we can say that A star well, actually, let's go with just x there is equal to A star A prime star B. Apply the associative property, A star A prime star B is equal to E star B, which is just B, right? So we observe that this is a solution. And x equals A prime star B is a solution. Fantastic. Now we just have to show that it is unique. Suppose that, let's see here, x equals, I don't know, let's call it, let's see here, we just have A and B that we're working with. Suppose that x equals C. Well, actually, you know, there's a detail that I'm missing in here. We should point out that A A prime star B is in G, because we have closure with respect to the binary operation there. So suppose that X equals C, which is in G, is also a solution. Okay, so we've showed a solution exists. How do we show that it's unique? Suppose that this is also a solution. Then we would have that A prime, let's see here, A prime star B, sorry, plugging this in. So actually I just, yeah, A star prime, A prime star rather, B is equal to B, and we would have that A star C is equal to B. Hence, A star A prime star B is equal to A star C. So we do have the transitivity of equality, okay? That should make sense for us. If two things, right, this is equal to that and this is equal to the same thing, then those two should be equal. And then by the left cancellation law, we get A prime star B is equal to C. Thus, the solution is unique. Okay, so we have existence of a solution and we have the uniqueness of the solution. Similarly, right, it's the same work. Similarly, Y star A equals B has a unique solution. And that's what we wanted to show, right? Each of the two equations has a solution. Just to give you a heads up here, right, when you go to write up your proof, for the most part, the structure should look about the same. Maybe you choose to write a little more carefully. I'm writing quickly here. Write a rough draft, write a final draft. I highly encourage rough drafts or proofs. That's going to allow you to kind of sketch out your ideas and say, oh, well, that didn't work out like I wanted it to, so maybe you have to ditch the whole thing. Or you find that your order is a little bit off because you should have set something up here. So the ability to rewrite, or the opportunity rather to rewrite, is definitely wise to consider preparing for, right? Assume that you're going to need to rewrite it. And if you don't need to, excellent, you got a little extra sleep or whatever, play video games, whatever you want to do. Anyway, a little bit more to talk about. So I'll see you back here in the office in just a moment.